Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So I know that I have not uploaded a workout video in quite a while, but if you're excited and willing to get a good workout in, then go ahead and keep watching this video. It is going to be an intense leg day workout at the gym because you are going to be using the bar and a whole bunch of other stuff, some free weights and some bands. So if you want to kill leg day, then go ahead and keep on watching.
Looking outside my window, I try to see where my life goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of black hole in this house. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding? Please now, I gotta realize that you have fallen down. So let's take my chances tonight. I gotta choose fight instead of flight. It's really amazing how you got me treading on you now. Till it's PM, getting back 'cause sun is dark again. No, let us be partners in crime. that we're meant to be. Eyes drop, eyes drop, eyes drop, eyes drop,
After the workout now, and it was super intense. I literally thought I was going to die because I drank a pre-workout right before I started exercising, and oh my gosh, it literally felt like my heart was gonna like jump out of my chest. So I'll show you guys. I'm gonna upload this video today that I filmed it. So today's Monday. I'm gonna go home and edit it and upload it for you guys, just because you guys have not seen a workout video. So you guys are going to be seeing this later on today, and then tomorrow I'm going to upload a vlog. And in tomorrow's vlog, or whenever I upload it, you will see the pre-workout that I bought at Walmart. So I don't know if it's because I was so used to just drinking my Herbalife teas instead of a pre-workout, but I don't know. I don't think pre-workouts are for me. And literally, like, my heart rate was at 156, but my heart was pumping so fast. And I was telling Gabby, I was like, is this normal for me to be feeling like this? And for one, the workout was very intense because it was heavy weights. But oh my gosh, I don't know, like, pre-workouts they're not for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am going to work out again tomorrow and Wednesday and Friday. So this week is going to be pretty intense for me, but I hope you guys are looking forward to those videos, and we will be seeing you guys soon. Bye guys.